We just got these artichoke hearts at a bargain outlet store for $4 for $1. I mean, the artichoke hearts are the best part of the artichoke, but right now they're frozen, so we're gonna put them in the engine and just warm them up a little bit so when we get home, we can eat these.
I don't think I can wait that long. I think I'll just have some right now.
Let's find a nice convenient place in here. It's not too close to the exhaust, of course. We just want it to not get too hot. Now let's go ahead and turn on the oven. All right, now that we're home, let's go ahead and open up the hood and take a look at this bag. Sure is warm, and these definitely are looking soft. That's what we wanted them to look like. So these definitely are really good. We used to do this all the time, just wrap like a potato in tin foil. You can set it right on the exhaust, get some nice baked potatoes. You can cook all kinds of things in the engine. I've even seen some people do steak, but I'm not sure I'd take that chance. But I mean, we've been doing this for generations and it really is good.